This is Lecture 2.1, Using T Accounts. This is found on page 28 of your book. The first thing that we need to do is analyze the accounting equation. Right here, this is your accounting equation, and you will need to know this every day from here on out for the rest of your accounting career, so we might as well learn it now, okay? All the accounting equation is knowing that assets equal any liability you have plus your owner's equity, okay? So assets are always on the left side, so this is your T account right here. Okay, assets are always on your left, liabilities plus owner's equity, that would be on the right side of your T account. Okay, again, a T account is an accounting device used to analyze transactions so that we know debit and credit side. Okay, debit is always on the left and credit is always on the right. Don't need to know anything else, you just need to know debit left, credit right. That never changes no matter what account you're using. The debit is always on the left side, credit's always on the right side. Okay, underneath your T account or your accounting equation T account, you have any asset, would be under assets, any liability, and your owner's capital account. The normal balance side of an account is the side that is increased. Okay, so normal balance, and I will talk about that more later, but the normal balance of any asset account, no matter what the asset is, the normal balance is the debit side. Okay, the normal balance of any liability account, it doesn't matter what it is the credit side. And remember, an asset is anything that you own, and a liability is anything that you owe. Okay, so the normal balance is the credit side on a liability and the debit side on an asset. As you can tell, the normal balance is always on the very outside of your T account. Okay, so look what's on the very furthest edge of both sides of the accounting equation. That's what your normal balance is going to be. Okay. Next, if we look, this is what we're going to have you do so that you can kind of start remembering what the normal balance side is and what the credit side is. So the first thing that you'll do is you'll draw your T account and you'll write the account name on the top. So this could be cash, this could be prepaid insurance, this could be supplies, any asset that you have. Okay, we'll always write debit, credit, no matter what, because debit's always left, credit's always right. Then we have to figure out what our normal balance side is. Well, this is on the very outside, so we know that any asset's normal balance is the debit side, which means normal balance means that's the side that increases, the other side decreases. Okay? Any liability, debit, credit, debit's always on the left, credit's always on the right. Normal balance is on the outside, which is the credit side of a liability account. Normal balance means to increase, so your other side decreases. Okay? Owner's capital, debit's on the left, credit's on the right. Normal balance is on the credit side, which means that your credit will increase and a debit will decrease. Okay, things that you need to know for Chapter 2.1, or Section 2.1, sorry, is a T account, debit, credit, and normal balance. Here's a little jingle to help you remember. Debit on the left, credit on the right, debit left, credit right, debit left, credit right. For complete satisfaction, balance all of your transactions.